In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly move your payments from undeposited funds to your bank account. This process is crucial for keeping your financial records in perfect balance and ensuring that all transactions are accurately reflected in your bank statements. So, let's dive in and get started. Imagine you've just wrapped up a busy week of sales and you have several transactions recorded in your accounting software. These transactions might temporarily sit in an account called undeposited funds. Think of this account as a virtual envelope where all your ready-to-be deposited monies are gathered until they're officially deposited into your bank. Now, the task at hand is to make sure these funds are appropriately deposited into your actual bank account, and I'll walk you through exactly how to do that. First, start by accessing the section of your accounting software where you can create a new bank deposit. Once there, you'll see a list of payments that have accumulated in the undeposited funds account. These are payments that you've received but haven't yet deposited into the bank. Now it's time to select the payments you wish to deposit. Carefully review the list and checkmark each of the payments that match the amount you're planning to deposit collectively. This step is important because it ensures every dollar is accurately accounted for and prevents any discrepancy that might otherwise arise if a payment was missed or incorrectly entered. Once you've selected the appropriate transactions from the undeposited funds, you're ready to proceed to the next essential step: choosing the bank account that will receive these funds. If you manage multiple bank accounts, be sure to select the correct one. Double check that it's the account where this specific deposit type is intended to go, so everything lands in the right place. After confirming the bank account, you may see additional options or notes that allow you to detail the deposit further, such as adding a date for when the physical or electronic deposit will occur. Enter this information if applicable. It serves as a handy reference for your records and helps with future reconciliations. With the payments chosen and the bank account selected, all that's left is to finalize and record your deposit. Take a moment to review everything one last time. Are all selected payments the correct ones? Is the destination bank account accurate? Once confident, you can proceed to complete the transaction. And there we have it. You've successfully deposited your undeposited funds into your bank. This not only aligns your records, but also ensures your financial data is as accurate and up to date as possible. By routinely performing this process, you keep your accounts organized and ready for any audit or review that might come your way. Thanks for watching today's tutorial, and as you continue managing your finances, feel free to revisit this video whenever you need a quick